welcome to another News Coolum video and another Chevrolet Bolt EV tips and tricks. I wanted to talk to you a little bit about replacing the rear windshield wiper on the Chevrolet Bolt EV because it's something that I didn't see a lot of support for, and we're expecting some more rain in, and this is a pretty old windshield wiper at this point. I think the rubber is actually starting to come loose. So I went ahead and got a new rear windshield wiper that I can put on here, but again, it's not necessarily the most intuitive process, and so I just kind of wanted to walk through what I've seen about how to do it and just show you how I do it. So the first thing that's not really clear about this is this plastic cover doesn't have any sort of obvious means to take it off. But what there is this is kind of common with the automakers, that this plastic actually flexes. Now, you might be able to use a flathead screwdriver, but I don't know how you would angle it to get it out of the glass. It just kind of open it wide, and then it just slides off that direction. You can see there's a hook that goes here. So that exposes what now looks like a much more standard, normal windshield wiper. Again, now see, this does not really lift up that much. There's not a whole lot of play, which is why when the cover's on there, there's almost nothing that you can do with it. But here, it's just pretty basic. It's just a J-clip, right? I forget what the technical term is. Yeah, and so here, I'll show you when I get this off, but oops. There's a little bit of a divot here that you can press in to release it from that J-clip. So it's a very short windshield wiper. As you can see, I saw this was tearing off. So yeah, this needed to be replaced a while ago, but we hadn't really had much rain, so it wasn't a big deal. But just given the size of it, you can see it was kind of hard to actually source. I actually had to buy this online. None of the stores actually carried it, but it's an 11-inch blade. So yeah, that's kind of why I was a little delayed in buying it. Anyways, it had to ship here. So yeah, that's again just torn, nasty, and just like I said, a very basic J-clip here. Now, one of the things I recommend pretty much every Bolt EV owner, or every EV owner really have, this is just basic off-the-shelf glass cleaner. Now you want to wash this area before you put a new windshield wiper on there. Just as you can see, there's a lot of dirt there, a lot of buildup. But yeah, you want it to be on clean glass. Which that was clearly not. But it's mainly just the surface where the windshield wiper would come in contact with the glass that you want to clean. So, like I said, we're expecting rain anyway, so I'm not too worried about how clean this glass is overall. But yeah, you want to make sure that the surface that you're putting it on doesn't have any sort of detritus material or whatever that it could catch on the rubber blade. Alright, so after just doing a basic wipe job and cleaning the glass, now you want to break out the blade. Now, for those people who have never changed any wiper blades before, this is just a very standard basic clip style. Some of them will come with attachments, but if they have it on there, you have to take it off because this, again, just requires a simple blade attachment. It might be easier to reach in and get the blade at an angle. So now all you do, it looks like, is you have to lift this up a little bit because you don't have a lot of room to play here. So from here, that gives you enough clearance that you just pull it and slide it into place. So yeah, there you go. So now this is what it will look like, fresh blade on there. The only thing left is, again, putting this cover back on. I'm not going to clean it. Like I said, this is something that's going to get dirty anyway, and then it's going to rain. But the same sort of rule applies where you have to sort of Alright, so it looks like I didn't have this pulled all the way in, so what you're going to need is to actually make sure that you pull until this seats. So it looked like there was about another 1/8 of an inch. That was making it a little bit hard for this clip. Now once it's seated well enough, so that's what was my mistake was here, is that there you go. My mistake was that there's a little bit of a notch here that this needs to go all the way down, because this clip needs to be able to fit in there. So once it's pulled far enough forward, you can seat it, just press it down and it will seat in, slide all the way back, and then once you're over this post, you can just press and then close it down. And that's it. Now you have a brand new windshield wiper on your rear blade that's covered just like factory stock. So again, it's an 11-inch blade. I just used the one from Michelin, 11-inch blade, and yeah, it fits perfectly under the cover. Hopefully you found this useful and informative. Don't wait as long as I did to replace the windshield wiper blade. Like I said, we hadn't had rain for a while, and I waited and tried to get it from a store, and I ended up having to specially order it online. But otherwise, like I said, it's not exactly an intuitive process, mostly because of this covering that you know, again, just to go over it, you pull it, pop it out, and slide it down, and it comes off, and then from there, it's just a standard windshield wiper with a J-clip, and then just make sure that it seats all the way when you put the new one on. Otherwise you won't be able to get the clip in there and fit it on, and then of course wash the window before you put a new blade on. But yeah, that's it. That's my helpful Bolt EV tip trick rear windshield wiper. So it's an 11-inch blade, basic, just a J-hook setup for the windshield wiper, and then just be careful with this plastic cover pulling it off. I hope this was helpful. I hope it was informative, and yeah, we're getting into the rainy season, so get yourself some windshield wipers. And as always, if you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. It really helps out the channel, and thank you for watching.